Hi, I'm Glenn Schwarm, the President and CEO here at Signature Home Buyers. Some of you know us. Amber and I started the business back in 2008, and we now buy close to 100 houses every year. This year alone, we will renovate close to, if not 50 houses. So we do rental houses now. That's a part of our portfolio that we do. We also renovate full-on renovations. Some are complete gut jobs where we took it right down to the studs and come back up. And primarily, though, it's cosmetic work. You know, it's putting in new kitchens, new bathrooms, new flooring, and all those kinds of things. We have a lot of subcontractors that we work with. We have electricians and plumbers and flooring guys and those types of people. We are looking for more general contractors to come run our projects. We currently have about 8 projects right now that need to be started. They are all over the capital region. They're anywhere from Rotterdam to Glens Falls. Primarily, we stick around the Rotterdam, Schenectady, Guilderland, Albany area. That's kind of primarily where most of our work is. But we value our contractors. And I wanted to do a video just to let you know that, because some people automatically think because we flip houses, we're looking at gouging. You know, you watch those TV shows and sometimes they're just beating the crap out of the contractor, and it's just not a win-win. And Amber and I have always tried to build our company on win-win relationships. We don't pay top dollar, but we do not pay bottom dollar. When we started the company, we paid really tiny bottom dollar, and what we found is we got bottom dollar work. And that bottom dollar work hardly ever paid off because we had so many problems and mistakes we had to fix later on because our name was tied to something that it became much more expensive to fix it later on. So what we want to do is make sure we create those win-win relationships. We have some contractors that have been with us for about 7 or 8 years since we started, and some have been here for a few years, some have been here for a few months, but we are always looking to expand our base. And I just want to let you know that we do value contractors. We pay on time. We give you a detailed scope of work for the project. We have a project manager that helps facilitate the job. We're one of the top buyers at Home Depot, so a lot of our material comes from Home Depot. We have kitchen designers there and some other contractors as well, Park Building Supply and others. You can buy all the materials you want for the job, building materials from wherever you're comfortable, buying, wherever you have accounts set up or whatever. And but all of the cosmetic items, Amber is our designer, and she picks all those out. So we want to make a win-win because we know that you make money when you get done with the job quickly, right? If you're efficient and get the job done quickly and on time, you make the most money. Well, guess what? So do we. We're in the same exact business. We're in the time business. The faster we can get a job, buy a house, renovate it, sell it, close it, and get our money back, the more money we can put in our pocket. What we find is if we don't start a job on time or it takes a really long time to get the job done, we have paid so much in holding costs, like thousands, sometimes tens of thousands of dollars. We want to use that money that we were paying for holding and split some of that with the contractor. We'll pay you a little more to get the job done if you get a job done faster. The faster you go, the more money you can make. It's just simple math. And we want that kind of win-win relationship with our contractors. Like I said, we do value that relationship. It's not like you see on TV. Again, early on in our very early days, we were a little tougher on contractors. We just didn't know what we were doing, and we're just trying to figure it out. And we don't want to be screwed like anybody else. We want to make a fair living, but we also want you to make a fair living. So we do require that you have insurance, general liability insurance, and workman's comp. Now, I understand that in New York State, workman's comp is difficult. If you're not a huge company or if you're a 1 or 2 man operation, you really don't have to have workman's comp. Unfortunately, our workman's comp, this is the way New York State has set it up. You gotta love New York. They set it up so that if we have comp, which we have to for all of our office employees, anybody who works for us also has to carry comp. If you don't, we have a very simple solution, very simple and inexpensive solution to meet the requirements so you can work for us and so we can meet our requirements with our insurance provider. So we can explain all that to you when you call. You might be a 1 or 2 man operation. You might be a full-on crew who does everything. And we want to work with you either way. So we want to continue to build our customer base, our contractor base, because you are a valuable, integral part. You really are our partners. We work with you to be efficient, to be quick, to get the job done so that you can make more money and we can make more money. One of the benefits of working for us, you don't have to go out and bid jobs over and over and over. And some of you may already have great relationships, but if you're watching this, you might be at least interested in working with us. You don't have to go out and shop for new work. You don't have to market. You don't have to go out and do estimates. You don't have to pay for advertising. We're here. And it can be year-round work. Some of you guys are really busy in the summer, and then come winter, people are saying, uh-oh, it's slowing down. Well, guess what? We don't slow down. We're renovating houses year-round. Doing 50 houses a year, we always have something going on. So if you're interested, click on the link. I believe it's going to be right here below or above or someplace from this video, and fill the application out. Let us sit down and talk to you, show you what we do, see if we can create a win-win relationship between our company and your company. We can grow, you can grow, and it can be a win-win relationship, because that's what we want with our contractors. It's really important to Amber and I that we've built the company on win-win relationships, and we're going to continue to do so. So I hope that you enjoyed this, and I hope I answered some questions you might have about working for a flipping company. We are unlike any company that you've seen around here. Pay our bills, make sure you get paid, give you the scope, give you support, everything you need, because we're partners. We want you to win, so we win. So we can all win together. Okay? Hopefully you fill it out, and hopefully we'll be talking to you soon. Have a great day.